Hello everyone, today we are unboxing PRYME's Bluetooth speaker mic BTH-500 for Zello. This is BTH-500 for Zello app with EPTT, and this is charging cable and USB power adapter. Now we are going to show you how to pair it with iPhone. Power on the BTH-500 first. And we press the pairing button. You can see the blue and red LEDs flashing. Now we go to iPhone setting. Go to Bluetooth, and then you can see it's BTH-PTT. We pair it. Okay, it's connected. Now we go to Zello's app. We go to Options, push to talk buttons, and we add new device. You can see PTTZ on it. Then we pair it. Okay, it's connected. Now we go to Echo and test it. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Test 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Okay, you can hear the audio from the speaker. Now we test in sleep mode. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, you can hear the audio is loud and clear. You can buy this from Amazon, and you can check out our Amazon link down below. Thank you for your watching.